Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I create these simple neon swirl nails. These are going to be my birthday nails. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and I thought I'd switch up my format and do more of just a talking through versus a voiceover. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments which version you like better, or if you want a mix of both. So for my birthday nails, I wanted something bright because we're going to the lake and it's summer and purple is my favorite color, so I really wanted something purple as well. These two colors were calling me. They're from the new Madam Glam release. So this is Pop the Champagne and the Big Apple. I will leave a link to that video down below if you want to see swatches in a tutorial using these colors. And so I feel like these go really well together. The other one I pulled was Pivot, which is my hands down favorite nude background shade. So we're going to use that for the swirl background, as well as Light Elegance's Bad Banana I pulled as my glitter. It is just a bright neon yellow glitter. It's definitely iridescent. The color underneath shows through, but it pairs perfectly with this green shade. So looking at the nails, so we're going to do green on the pinky and pointer finger, then we're going to do nude on the middle and thumb, and then purple on the ring finger. So I'll go ahead and get into this. Again, this green is the Big Apple. Okay, so I got first coat on. I'm not going to do my thumb because I will be doing the thumb for a TikTok. So I got those shades on. I'm going to go ahead and cure these for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. But you can see just how pigmented they are just on one coat alone. I absolutely love Madam Glam's formula, and it definitely shows through with these brighter colors because I feel like they are hard to achieve high pigment with these bright neon colors, and especially yellows and greens I feel like get streaky, but this green does so well. Second coat is on. Gonna again cure for 30 seconds. Okay, now that I have second coat cured, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our glitter. So again, Bad Banana from Light Elegance. This was from a summer 2 years ago, I believe. Very bright. And then I'm just taking my Light Elegance oval brush. I don't know exactly what it is. The writing has rubbed off at this point. It's pretty old. But just the clear Light Elegance gel brush. I'm just going to do a thin layer. I don't really want to pack the glitter on. Just want that pop. And then what I also do sometimes with these Light Elegance glitters is on the lid we have a bunch of concentrated glitter, and so sometimes I'll run that through. It adds more shine that way. The Light Elegance glitters do tend to separate a little bit, so this top layer has a lot of the clear gel, so when I'm picking it up it's a lot of clear gel. And a simple fix is just stirring it, but I'm sometimes too lazy to even stir my gels, so I just scrape some out of the lid, call it good. Adds a little sparkle. We'll cure this. I'm just gonna cure it for 30 seconds and then we'll keep curing it after as well. Okay, now that I have all of the bases done, I'm gonna go ahead and take my palette. And I do have a set of 3 of these palettes that my sister got for me, I think from Amazon. So I have purple, pink, and blue, and I just try to pair it with whatever color my design is gonna be. I know Glitter Mix Canada has some like white and gray ones. I want to get some of those as well. Let me close my bottles before I spill. And then I'm just going to take a dollop. You don't need much of each color. Dollop of each color on my palette. Then I'm going to use the Robin Moses wand brush. I've been loving this one. I feel like I go through phases with my brushes, and I prefer some brushes over others, and then I kind of go back and forth which one's my favorite. So this one's my favorite at the moment. I just cleansed the nail with some alcohol. And then we're gonna start with the purple. I just kind of turn and coat my brush all over. And then we're just gonna make swirls. I'm surprised the swirl trend is still very popular. And I understand why, because it is a very pretty design and it's simple and you can really use like whatever colors you want with it. But it's just like swirl nails everywhere. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of the swirl trend. Are you into it? Are you over it? I know I've been doing a lot of swirl nails recently, but again, it's something easy to go towards and it's still trending, so I think a lot of people still like seeing it. So there, I have my purple on. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. I'm just gonna do 10 seconds just to flash cure it in place, and then we'll go in with the green and then do a full cure. Wipe off my brush. And then with the green swirls, I did some connecting to the purple and then some outside the purple, so we're gonna do that as well. Again, I'm coating my brush on all sides. What do you guys normally do for your birthday nails? Do you plan out a specific set or do a certain theme every year for your birthday? I feel like I'm excited to do my birthday nails every year, and then when it comes down to it, I end up having no idea what to do up until the very last minute, and I'm like, gotta do something. We'll go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. So that's why we went with a simple, just neon and swirls, because I've been sitting on this all week and could not figure out what to do with my nails. Part of it is because my birthday is so close to the 4th of July, so I'm always planning my 4th of July video to make sure I have that video out in correlation with the holiday. And then all of a sudden it's my birthday and I'm like, oh, I gotta do my birthday nails too. But I feel like I do this every year. I'm gonna wipe off my brush again. And then I did run some of the glitter over the swirls as well. And I'm gonna use the glitter that's in the cap. Just pick up some. And I just kind of go over it. Doesn't have to be super exact. Just want to give it that glitter over it. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Now that that's cured, we're just gonna go ahead and top coat. Of course, my Light Elegance super shiny. And if you guys didn't know, the reason I use this one over the Madam Glam one is because this is stain resistant. I'm a hairstylist, so I always am staining my nails, and this one's stain resistant. Young Nails also has a stain resistant, but I find that that formula does not agree with a lot of the other companies that I have, so I have to be careful what products I use the Young Nails with. But the Light Elegance one I haven't had any issues with. It's very compatible with Madam Glam. So that's one thing I wish Madam Glam would come out with, is a stain resistant top coat. And if they did that, I definitely would switch over to their top coat. And this one cures for 60 seconds. Okay, so it is about a week later, and I did realize that I didn't finish out this video, so I'm coming back on here to finish out the video. Here's how my nails came out, and you can see this one got a little bit of color staining. My hand's color stained from work, and it's starting to grow out a little bit, but these were my neon swirl nails that I did for my birthday. Easy, fun, and simple. Definitely not my favorites that I've done, but I do love the combination of the Big Apple and Pop the Champagne. They look oh so pretty together. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments, what are your feelings about swirl nails? And also, are you rocking neons this summer? I feel like neons go in and out of style. I definitely think neons are in this summer. So let me know if you are rocking neon nails for the summertime. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. And make sure you're subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.